Instagram has introduced Reels templates. This is going to save you a whole load of time when creating your Reels. You're going to be able to use the structure of pre-existing Reels to create your own. The templates come with audio and timings of the cuts already populated for you. So all you need to do is choose your videos, your images, or your photos and put them where you want them to go. Right, let me walk you through how to use Reels templates step by step. Open up Instagram. Tap on the Reels icon at the bottom. Tap the camera icon in the top right corner. At the bottom, where it says Reels, swipe left and you will see template. Here you can flick through and watch templates by swiping the images left. When you find the one you like, hit the button that says Use Template. Now you'll see below all the timings of that template's reel. Select Add Media. It will open up images and videos in your camera roll on your phone. Choose all the images and videos you want to use in the order you want them to appear. Hit Next, it will automatically add the audio that was on the reel template. Add any final parts of your reel, text, stickers, or effects. Hit Next again, choose your cover image and your description, and then post. Reels templates will be great for simple and effective reels that take very little time to make. Especially great for things like montage videos for products, travel vlogs, and lifestyle videos. It's going to be a great tool for people that want to learn about Instagram Reels, but also that aren't as confident in creating them. And I'm sure that Instagram will make it easier and add more variety to the templates in the future. The one possible drawback that I see from the introduction of these Reels templates, and that's something that I'm not too keen on, is the danger that more and more content starts to look and feel the same. But we'll see. Hope you found this video helpful. I'd love your support so I can keep making these videos. So just make sure you've liked and subscribed if you haven't already. I'm Ray. This is Simply Create. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.